In this question, it is given that limit of this function is equal to 2. Since integration fxa to a dx is equal to 0, therefore limit of integration 1 by 1 minus t square dt is equal to 0 to 0, a to a, 0 to 0. This is equal to 0. Because of this part becomes 0. Because of this x, when we put 0 in place of this x, this part becomes 0. That means numerator tends to 0 and denominator also tends to 0. Therefore, this limit is in 0 by 0 indeterminate form. This is L'Hospital's rule. If any limit be in 0 by 0 indeterminate form, then this limit will be equal to limit of derivative of numerator dfx by dx by dgx by dx. Derivative of numerator by derivative of denominator. We apply L'Hospital's rule in this limit. Differentiate numerator. To differentiate numerator, alpha by 2 is a constant. We will differentiate this. To differentiate this integral, definite integral, we will use this formula. By using this formula, after differentiating this definite integral, we write derivative differential coefficient of this definite integral inside this bracket. Then we differentiate beta x cos x. Beta is a constant. Then we differentiate x cube. When x tends to 0, then this numerator tends to alpha by 2 plus beta and denominator tends to 0. Now there are two possibilities. Numerator not equal to 0 or numerator is equal to 0. If numerator is not equal to 0, then not equal to 0 by tends to 0, result tends to infinity. That means this limit will be infinity, but it is given that limit is equal to 2. That means alpha by 2 plus beta not equal to 0 is incorrect. That means alpha by 2 plus beta must be equal to 0. Therefore, alpha will be equal to minus 2 beta. We suppose this is result number 1. Since alpha is equal to minus 2 beta, therefore numerator tends to 0 and denominator tends to 0. That means this limit is in 0 by 0 indeterminate form. Therefore, applying L'Hospital's rule again, we get this. We differentiate this numerator right here, differentiate this denominator right here. Now we shift this 6 on the right hand side. This minus 1 times minus 2 plus 2. This x and this x will be cancelled out. Beta sin x minus beta sin x minus 2 beta sin x by this x. Beta x cos x by this x. X and x will be cancelled out and there will be beta cos x is equal to 12. We put 0 in place of this x. Apply this formula here, sin x by x, and its value will be 1. here will be cos 0 and value of cos 0 is 1. Therefore, here we write 1. This 2 and this 2 will be cancelled out. And we get alpha minus 3 beta is equal to 12. We suppose this is result number 2. Solving 1 and 2, we find value of beta and value of alpha. Then we find value of alpha plus beta.